Hey Divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now, so if you guys are interested then definitely keep on watching. Okay Divas, so jumping right in, today we have the COS unit by Zury in the color number 1B. Here she is in all her beautiful glory. She has some beautiful crimps as well as the rubber band style, which is so neat. I absolutely adore this style, and it also has really nice lace, and the hairline is plucked to perfection. Here's the cap construction. It is average head friendly, meaning it can fit large and small heads. It does come with 2 combs in the front as well as an adjustable quality elastic band with a comb in the back, excuse me, with adjustable straps. Okay, so here's how it falls on me. It does fall about 22 to 24 inches on me, and I am 5'2". Off camera I did just add a little bit of powder, and now I'm going to lay this baby down with some of that new Even spray, or it's new to me anyways. But yeah, I did it right this time, and I'm going to be adding some butterfly clips. But of course, I'll finish out my closing thoughts. Just kind of want to give you guys a few of the details and the specs. But honey, my wig is laid, okay? She is given. But anyways, I'll let you guys finish watching it, and then of course I'll finish out with my closing thoughts.
You don't know.
Okay Divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay Divas, so as you guys can see, I have another rubber band unit from the Diva collection by Zury Sis. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So today we have the style Diva Lace Age COS or COS. I don't know if that's COS or COS. Which one is it? But anyways, I have her in the color number 1B. So I'm gonna go over her claims and everything, and then also like tell you guys some specs about this unit. Now I feel like I have a lot more experience like with this line because I just did the other one. If you guys didn't see it, definitely check that out, even though you can see a line of demarcation in that video because I was not working with the lace correctly. Okay, don't come for me, okay? We all make mistakes. But anyways, so this is their 13x5 free parting. This is their rubber band style, and I think it's so cute. It's very nostalgic for me because this is how I was wearing my hair when I was like a teenager in the early 2000s. So I just think this is really cute, and it's also cute and a really good switch up just from like the norm of what we know, you know, the middle part, the side part, half up half down. This is that with the twist, so I really do like it. So let's go over the claims, and I'll tell you guys whether they're true or not. Let's speed right through this so it's not too long. So it says it has a HD lace front part, and it definitely does. The hair, like the lace, excuse me, is really nice. Like as you guys can see, like it's really nice. So I really do love this lace. Like Zury, please only make your lace wigs with this lace now, okay? Because it is literally melted, and all I used was this Even Wonder spray stuff. I just started using this, so I don't know the name of it, but that's all I use, and it's melted right into the skin, and it just looks amazing. So please keep using that lace because this lace is impeccable, you guys. Like you're gonna want to put this in your hair. It has an elastic band. This elastic band is also adjustable, which makes your wig more secure, so kudos to Zury for that. And it's also a sturdy one. You know, we have had the cheap ones, okay, but Zury was like, no, we bringing you guys quality, so thank you Zury for that. It says it has natural baby hair. It does. I did not use the baby hair today. All I did was like just kind of like push it back literally, and I just wanted to do that to show you guys that you can wear this unit without baby hairs and it still will look good. It will give it a little bit more character and a little bit more of personality, if that makes any sense, like if you use the baby hair. But I don't know, like I feel like it looks good either way because the lace is bomb. And it says that it can take high heat up to 400 degrees. Now I didn't put any heat on this one or the other one that I reviewed, but Zury's units always take heat very nicely, so I trust their word for that. So as far as this unit goes, I really do like it. I love the crimp style. I feel like it goes perfectly with this type of style. Like it's just super cute. I love it. I feel like this is definitely giving summer, okay? She's giving, okay, giving summer. So I definitely feel like you need to add this to your wig arsenal for this summer, okay, because she is definitely a seasoned wig, okay. Like, she's like, I'm here to slay, I'm here because we can go outside now. Like, she's here. So overall, I do like the unit. I don't know whether it sheds or tangles. I would imagine that it does because it is on the longer side, but I didn't want to run my fingers through it and mess up the crimps. So that's why I didn't do that, but I would imagine that it sheds and tangles. The other one did have a little bit of shedding and tangling, but it wasn't anything excessive. Now, one thing I am noticing is that this texture is a little bit more rough than the last one that I just reviewed from this line, but it's not like super hard like Easter egg basket grass hair, if that makes any sense, okay. So it's not like super rough. Overall, I like it. I love how neatly they parted the rubber band parts of everything to add a little bit of personality for myself, because this is what my younger teenage or preteen self would have did. I would have added my little butterfly clips. I absolutely love these. I got these from the beauty supply store, so you can just check your beauty supply store. I think they even have them on Amazon. I will try to find a link for you guys in case your beauty supply doesn't carry little butterfly clips and stuff. But anyways, this is something that I would have paired with this hairstyle as like a teenager, so that's why I went ahead and put it. But honestly, even as an adult, I feel like it's cute. It's giving a look, okay. So this is really cute, you guys. Like, or even some ballies would have been cute too, and I have some, but I just wanted to do the butterfly clips because I feel like it would just look cute. But yeah, anyways, I definitely think she is a go, okay. She is Glam Shea approved, okay. So if you guys are interested, I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, Divas, that is pretty much it. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this style. How did you rock your hair when you were a preteen or a teenager, or how was you rocking your hair when we were in the early 2000s, late 99s, okay? Like 90s, excuse me. Like, how were you rocking your hair? Like, did you wear this hairstyle ever? I think it's really cute. I feel like this is one of the things that you can always like kind of bring back, and it'll always be cute. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.